So the last day, what we did, we created an item. I mean, we started creating the item, right?
Yes. Correct.
Under item, there were some tabs that we missed. Not missed, we left.
Mm-hmm.
We thought once we let through and talk about the basic, you check the labels and everything, then we will come back to that. Why? Because label has an impact. You go and create a lot of drop downs whenever you need, right? But today we will talk about those fields. I click on search, and why I wanted you to create any item, because I wanted you, and of course today also, whenever you have time, please complete it before going to the next session.
Yep.
Complete your item, because you will definitely face some error issues. So we'll talk about those errors as well. Yeah.
Yes.
So
Thank
let's
you.
say I want to work on this item. Why I chose that? Because there was a survey also written. So let's say if they have attached any survey as well. Okay. Now, what we do when you create an item, the very first page that I showed you earlier, this is the page that you will see, or this is the information you will see in the front end or the front page. Yeah. So how it will show? It will show you the title of the course. It will show the duration of the course, delivery method. If they want it, they would have. Otherwise, they didn't use, but you will use it. Just book any one of them, maybe e-learning or something, classroom, anything. Just pick any one of them. Don't leave any field. Sources, of course, Coursera, Linda, any one of them. Print hours they didn't put. If you want, you can put it here. Contact us. Why I'm asking you to put all of them? Because when we do our reporting, you will see all this information there in the reporting. It will be helpful for you. Okay.
Okay.
Then do we have description, access setting, everything you put as we did last time, right? All of this we saw that where it will go for approval, if that will go or not, assignment, where will that be assigned, stuff like that. All of them, right?
Mm-hmm.
The completion part as well. And that if I complete something, user can add this to their learning history. Whenever I complete this item, this will be added into my learning history, which will be a part of our report. When I show you reporting, learning history will be one of the reports. So when I complete it,
Yes.
automatically it will get added into the learning history from the user part. User part means I as a user, when I complete it, automatically it will be added. If I say
Okay.
no,
Oh, okay.
then it won't be there. Then of course admin or manager, someone has to pitch in and run. Okay.
Okay.
Just like that version and everything you set up. Now, this is initial part. I created general item, but I haven't added anything here.
Yep.
When I say added means, if I complete this item or enroll into this item, what notification will trigger? If I complete, what notification will trigger? If I cancel, what notification will trigger? What will be the online content? I said online Linda, but there are thousands of contents. Out of Linda, which particular content should be here, right?
Mm-hmm.
What is the agenda of this training? Let's say this training is for 5 days. Okay. Let's say our training is for 5 days. Now, every day will have some agenda. So you must see that whenever there is a 5 days or 7 days training, every day you receive an automatic email wherein you say, okay, this is today's agenda for the call, for the meeting of today, right?
Yep.
That we are going to talk about the definition, we are going to talk about the base of the training or practical part. This is our agenda. That's what we call, right?
Yep.
So just like that, now we will actually update everything. I mean, attach all the information to
Mm-hmm.
this particular item. Like, I want to add some classes into it.
Mm-hmm.
Those classes will be a part of it. Okay.
Yep.
So let's go ahead, check that. And now I will go to the email notification. This is very important. Unless you complete everything, your item is not complete. Yeah. So I go to email notification. Now, email notification can be several types. Like when you enroll, there should be a notification that should trigger to you that okay, you have enrolled into this particular course. When you complete something, then it should trigger. Yeah. Edit
Yep.
the registration. When you withdraw something, then a notification should trigger. Waiting list, attachment, everything is there. Whenever you take any option, action, a notification should trigger. Now
How can
these
I
are hard.
customize?
Sorry.
How do I customize them?
Yeah, I'll show you.
Okay, thank you.
So now this is my email notification part, right? I said, first of all, let's go to this override learning expiration email notification default.
Okay.
Let's say I enrolled in one learning or item, and there are some changes that I did. So system says, who should we send this notification to? Okay. So what I said this email recipient is user. Who should it go to? It
User.
should go to user, not the manager. Okay.
Yes.
Threshold is how many people, how many times? That 5. Reminder period 1 after 1 day. I mean,
Oh,
every after 1 day, a reminder will be sent to that
sorry.
person.
Threshold. What does it mean again?
Threshold means how many user? Maybe 5 people at once.
Thresh. Oh, means 5 user at one.
At once.
Oh, okay.
Now, edit registration text. Let's go and edit registration text. Right? What is the notification? If I edit the class cancellation, if I cancel that class, okay. So what will be the notification? This is the notification. Now, you said, how would I add it? If you have to. So first of all, user will always be same. User means anybody who enrolls.
Mhm.
You can be the user. I can be the user, right?
Mhm.
You're getting me?
Yeah.
You enroll to an item means you are the user right now, correct? If I go and enroll into it, that means I am the user right now. So whoever enrolls, that is your user.
Yep.
Now, here you say in user, this is hard coded. You always use this, that level key notification, schedule cancellation, student subject. Means student means who is going to take this training.
Okay.
If you enroll, you can be called as student. I can be called as student, right?
Yep.
Same time, I said, who should be the manager? Manager will also be intact. Whoever is your manager will be, it will be called as supervisor subject. Means your supervisor, subject supervisor, right?
Yes.
Then instructor. Who is the instructor? We have already defined it. That will be there. Correct? Hello.
Yep.
Yeah. And then others. Others means if you have attacked somebody else live, you want to send it to the CC.
Okay.
Now, that brings us to the body part. Now, body part is generally, we keep it similar for all the cancellation of approval or what is that called? Enrollment. So what does it say? It says like uh, you have been enrolled to this particular training. These are the dates. But that is general one. Maybe your message could be different, right?
Mhm.
Your message can be different. You want to send something else, some other notification. So here you have to come and you have to make these XML changes.
Mhm.
First of all, this is XML changes. But email notification can be changed from other part as well, from your system setting.
Okay.
We'll come. We'll come to that later.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. But are you getting me? That notifications, if minor changes are there, where will you do that?
Yep.
किस नाम पे? ऊपर first. Ah, yeah. Sorry, somebody was there. Yeah. So we change it.
Okay.
Now I go and I said, okay, even though cancellation is done. So if you want to make any changes in cancellation, like notification, message, text is this approval or denial reason, because registration is approved, or maybe your registration is denied. So automatically system will pick your approval or denial reason, and reason will be the drop down that we choose. So don't worry, when I create and I show you the final one, I will make changes here and then I'll show you how to do that.
Okay.
Yeah. So like, can you see the edit labels?
Yes.
Yeah. And we did work on the edit labels. I mean labels there. Can you see? Do you remember the labels we
Yes.
worked on? So you go to any labels, like we say, the notification enrollment student subject. So who would be the student? I click on notification, email notification. So I change it. So automatically system will pick this one. Just like that, whatever label you have created, system will automatically pick
All these are automatic. This was being
that.
created default, right?
Label.
Yeah.
Yeah, label. So if you
Yep.
forgot it, let me take you
Correct.
there. The reference.
A label, manage label.
Where is that one? So can you see all of the registration status, resource blocks, yeah, withdrawal reason. Yes, you will, whatever reason you will pick, automatically system will pick.
Okay.
And online content, we have these things. Yeah, so where is that one? Reference, manage levels. Yeah,
Yep.
technology changes, all that. Yeah. Just like that, we keep on changing this in the any particular thing. Email notification, how we create it, we'll talk about it after some time.
Okay.
This is how you do, and you apply changes. So whatever changes you do, this will only be available for this particular item. It's not like it's going to apply everywhere. This is
Okay.
only for this particular item.
Okay.
Make sense?
Yes.
Now I go to online content. Online content, whatever I have created, it should come here. So I will choose, let's say I say I have content object. So I choose any one of them. Now once you have that, you can go edit, move, or remove as an admin. But when
Okay.
employees go, they will choose see this online content, the link, or once you enroll into it, you will be able to see this one. Then I move to the agenda template. Now, agenda is very important. Sorry, see. Agenda is very important. Let's say I have 5 days class. Every day you want to set up a new agenda. Okay, so you will
Yep.
click on plus sign and you say day one, description, introduction. You said first day is introduction, and that is for 3 hours. And the delay start can be maximum 5 minutes. And location type. Now, location for all cities or city name you can pick. Let's say I said this class, whatever we have created in the reference. I pick this one. And I say, so this is for day one. Automatically, people will see the day one. Can you see?
Yep.
Then I said, okay, day two will be different. Day two should be basic. Again for 3 hours. Delay can be 5 minutes. And location will be, yeah, this one. Can you see? Based on that, you can add as many, agendas as you want. 5 days, 7 days, 8 days, whatever. You click on this equipment. Why this equipment is needed? You said there is a training going on in Singapore, in your office. What all equipments we need for this training? Now, equipment, of course, that would not be any heavy equipment, but it can be your, let's say, cam recorder. It can be projector. It can be, any other thing. Like if you're doing some other training, like you need some uh, employee engagement articles, then whatever equipment IDs you have created, you will go and pick one of them. The moment you do that, automatically the admin team or anybody will get to know that for this training, these are the equipments that are needed. Like this, see, laptop.
Okay.
I need one laptop. I need a flip chart.
Okay.
I need a projector. I need lab. Whatever I mean.
Okay, yeah.
I pick anything. Apple device. And I said add. And I say apply. So automatically your admin team will get to know that these are the things that are needed for this training, and they will allow you and they will approve and assign it to you directly. Okay.
Okay.
Now, I go to next is classes. Very important. The one that we were talking about. How many classes should be there? How many IDs should be there? But how do we do that? Can you see if I click on classes, it's not available, right?
Yes.
So for that, when we go to classes and I create any class, let's say I make a random search and I have all these classes. I go to any particular class, or I will show you, I will create one, but I'm just showing you something. So once this is done, all these are set up.
You're looking for something?
Yeah, I'm looking for the item. Where do we? There should be an option to assign those items. Then only you will be able to see this classes under this item.
But okay, if you go back to the item, I think under the action, we can actually add classes, right? If you use back the same item number,
Action was not there.
27014.
Okay.
27014, yeah, correct. 27014.
This was the one.
Then on the top right hand, there's action. Maybe from there you can do.
Oh, there it is. I was looking at assign, right?
Is it assign or schedule?
No, schedule is something else. Assign.
Okay.
This is assigned to an employee. You go to set.
This is assigned item to an employee.
So I check any employee that we have. I assign to, let's say, select all of them. So automatically this class will be added to this. Okay. Now I go to action again. Very important. Schedule.
Okay.
I click on schedule. Schedule these classes. When will that be happening? The facility. This is very important part. Even if you go for interviews, they will ask you. What will they ask? They will ask, okay, that what particular item you want to assign this class to.
Okay.
Where do you want to assign this class to? I said an item. So I will ask which item type. This was our item. Correct? You assign it here, and the item ID will automatically generate, and therefore. Here you describe why this item is there and why we are doing it, and short description as well. Okay. Publish Published in all associated libraries, may be individual removed from the classes. Library is what? It's just like the name goes, all the reading materials and everything is available. So that is library where all the training items or whatever we have created or submitted are available.
Okay.
Now, but this class, where the class information, where will this class be occurring or happen? So you choose one of the facilities. What is facilities? Your physical location. Like your Singapore office has a location attached to it. Getting me?
Yep.
So
Yes.
you choose that location, any one of them. Like see, Bangkok, Beijing, Boston,
Okay.
Brazil, Chicago, any one of these. Which office do you want to run this class?
Mhm.
So let's say I said Singapore. Do we have Singapore? SAP Germany. I pick any one of them, right? Let's say SAP Germany. You pick that. What is the primary location out of this location? You choose.
For the
So there is
contents.
one
Okay.
location in Germany. See, automatically Germany location came up. If you change this one, let's say in Germany, see,
Oh,
whatever you have assigned,
okay.
when you choose location, you will see all of this will be assigned to it. So I
Okay.
pick any one of them. Start date, we define the calendar. It is starting from, let's say, 21st.
Okay.
And the time are, so let's say from 9 a.m. and the time zone you pick based on your location, automatically time zone will come.
Yep. Okay.
Now resources, what are the resources that you're using for this training? So you go and choose your instructor. The instructors we will create. So let's say I pick any one of them. Email address is not there, so I will pick any one of them. That's okay. I go to manage equipment, any equipment again. Maybe I want a laptop.
Mhm.
Resource user view, that's there. Then custom fields, if I want to add some custom fields, I'll click on this custom fields.
Okay.
Make a search. Travel assistance, do you need? Right-free restrictions you need. I mean, you as an instructor, do you want
Okay.
all of them? I said yes. Okay, so this is my data is done.
Okay.
And I say, this is my class information. And I click on save. Okay, so it says you must correct the following. The time slot start time is invalid. Okay.
Okay.
Instructor does not have any invite.
So,
First of
okay.
all, maybe 10 p.m. and I
We uncheck the notification then. You don't have to notify. Maybe.
don't have to find them.
Yeah.
And I see. Then this is
Yep.
how we add a class into our item. So there are two things that you do from your action. From
Okay.
sorry, so
Classes. Okay. Yes.
that's assigned, right?
Yep.
This is how you can click on action and you assign this to any employee and assign this to an item. Send email notification, cover page, AI export. This is not needed very much from your end, but you should know, like you go to click on it, cover page,
Yes.
and you decide that this class will be shown on the cover page. The user.
Oh,
See,
cover page. Okay.
okay, custom English language you want to save and close.
Where can I see this cover page?
When we start the items,
Oh, okay.
the class, then
Oh no.
send email notification. I click on it.
Yes.
When do you want to send the email notification? I want to send it to item type. When I complete the survey, item type ID you can pick if you have. Otherwise, this is my item ID already available. If you want to add more items, otherwise, you can skip it and you click on apply changes.
So the survey will send out at the end of the session.
Sorry?
So I saw you. If you choose a survey, they send it at the end of the session.
So that's an item. That's an item that
Oh,
we.
item. Okay. Oh,
So along with this item, if you want to add more items,
oh, okay. Got it.
so whenever people enroll into this, they will be receiving a classroom notification.
So when do we use the send email? Because
We
when they add
use
them in a class, they will automatically receive a confirmation.
they receive it. Now, I said there is a training going on for SAP LMS, and this topic is quite relevant for other people as well in
Okay.
the other item. So I
Okay.
add those items also so that when it is sent, those people will also get notified. Okay. So I'm
Mm,
adding another item. You're getting me?
okay.
Like you are doing your LMS training. At the same time, there is another item which goes with the same detail and quite similar to it. I will add that item as well. And when I add it,
Send notification. Which you send to the all the participants.
yes. So let's say I choose item ID for it. I need to check the item ID. Let's check the item ID. Lean as a item. Hmm, how would I check if I have to? How can I search for any particular item? Guidance.
I don't get you. Sorry.
How
What
can
do
I
you do
check
anything?
if I have to search a particular item? How would I do that from here?
I just go to the item ID and enter the number that I created.
So I don't remember the ID, so I know the name. So I click on item type and I say leave, right?
Okay.
So that contains leave. There are a lot of items. So I said schedule item test. This is alien 25013. I see 25013.
Okay.
Okay. See, cover page for this item is inactive. You won't see that there. So lean course 25013, right?
Okay.
And we go to recent. 25013.
Okay.
See, another one is added. I see. So same class will be assigned to this item, right? This is the new one that we added.
And if you click next, what will happen? We'll send it to all those who are assigned that there's another new item being assigned to this particular course that they
Select
need to
means
do.
now select means I added here. So see, now I will define that what all population I should be sending it to. So this step further refine the population according to the completion status and assignment type. So whenever somebody goes to this item and they complete any one of them,
Mhm.
this is the assignment type. You remember from reference we can assign this assignment type
Yep.
and the completion status. Any one of them they pick. So
Okay.
this was the item, and I click on it. That this is the completion ID, and I want to send it to any particular user. Now, the selected user will start receiving these emails.
So what kind of email would they receive?
They will receive the details of this particular training, that a classroom has been set up for you. These are the timings. These are the resources that you want to bring along, right? You
So
have to.
it's means I send it to the
Mhm.
administrator,
Mhm.
not the user.
Now, these users that we selected,
But
and
why
now
do we
you
need? But I still don't
the
understand why do we need to send them an email notification from here if they have enrolled
okay.
and they receive a confirmation. So what is the purpose of sending this email notification?
I tell you. First,
I still don't understand.
that's okay. That's okay. That is a little confusing for everyone initially. So I enrolled into one training. Okay.
Yeah,
So I will receive what an enrollment notification.
correct.
But now I have set up a class. For that class, the timings, what resources you need to bring along. Like you have to bring your laptop, you have to bring your, let's say, notebook, pen, everything with you. The timings are 9 a.m.
Hmm.
This is the classroom where the training will happen, because these are not in your registration or enrollment notification. Enrollment notification will just tell you that you have been enrolled in this particular training and you can attend this classes. Yeah, it will
Hmm.
just give you that how many hours are classes for or stuff like that. But other details, the class detail will not be there in the registration. That is a separate one. I said that okay, this class will occur in Singapore office, fourth floor, this particular room, right? And what you have to do, whatever resources I added, like laptop, projector, all these things you should be bringing along with you. So that is a separate notification, the email notification I'm sending to you, to each user. From here, I will pick that email template. So this is the customized one. So I pick any one of them. Would you like to give somebody's email ID where they can reply to? If you don't give, it will be a no reply email.
Hmm.
From you always choose your company's email. Getting me?
So this is a separate additional one for them for more
Additional.
information. Okay.
More like I want you to bring all these details,
Oh,
all these
okay.
laptop and everything with you.
Okay.
Registration is different. Registration is like, okay, Janice has registered herself into one training, SAP LMS training. That's it. Your registration, your seats are confirmed now. Okay.
Okay.
It confirms that you have been registered. Now, this email will give you, this notification will give you all the information, that what is the class timing, where will this class be happening, what all things you need to bring along with you.
Oh, okay. So it's additional information. So
Additional.
if I can actually edit all this information, have all this information of what they need to bring in the confirmation email itself by doing a customization, by editing
Then,
the message itself, then I don't have to send this, right?
of course, like see, what happens, the confirmation, enrollment, or a cancellation, these notifications are not always, but most of the time are uh, fixed, isn't it?
Mm, mhm.
You're getting me? The moment I enroll somewhere, a generic notification will trigger and it will say that, okay, Janice has been enrolled into this item, and these are the information. That's it, right? 8 hours class.
I
That's
cannot
generic.
custom general one, but I cannot edit those general ones to
You
give more
can, but
information.
ideally we should not. Ideally we should not. Because these are the training related things which should go to everyone directly, right? You can do all the changes in your customized notification, this notification.
So this particular one is called the customization one. Okay.
Customized one. See, this is going to add it to subordinate and subject. Means whoever subordinates or employees you have added. We chose few people right now, right? This will be sent to only those people,
Who
not
enroll?
to everyone who
Oh,
enrolled
those,
maybe.
yeah, who enroll in. So those who have actually
uh,
enrolled will receive this. Okay.
Correct. Along with it, you will have option to attach something. You said, okay, I want to send this email to somebody else.
Okay.
I want to attach something. So you can attach something if you have something.
Example.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, okay.
And then this is the customized one. Getting me?
Okay.
And at the end, once this is done, you will say send email notification. The moment I hit this send email notification, see, because we have very demo user, it
Yep.
is not going. Otherwise, if you have email address to them,
Yeah.
then
Correct.
this
They will
will be
receive it.
sent to all.
Okay.
You getting me, or are you confused? Tell me. Be very honest.
No, I need to test
I'm.
this because we
Of
don't
course,
have
of
an
course.
actual proper testing here, so I cannot see the effect of how does it look like. Like
You can
when
do
you
it on
send
your
out
test case.
who is the person, like example, you enroll a person A, and the person A, because there's a no case scenario to test, like okay, person A is registered, and if I raise this as a person A receive it, so there's no test scenario for me to test this. I need to do it.
I
I
will.
need to
I'll
do a
tell you
test.
how you can test. How can you test? Uh, you have your test environment from your company. No.
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah. Just follow this path and you will do it. See, at
Yeah,
the end it says finish.
I'll try to test it. I have to put myself in, register. I do create a class. I register myself and I send it to myself and see how it does look like, because from here I can't see the final result. What is it being added? So yeah, I need to do a test scenario on this.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you. But at least now I know the send notification, email notification is a customized one to send to those who have actually registered. But I still would like to explore the possibility, because when I was doing just random research, there is a possibility of edit the email notification.
And don't worry, when we meet on Wednesday, we are meeting on Wednesday, right? We're not available on Friday.
Correct. So what is the next option?
Next
Thursday
option,
afternoon. I can do a Friday. I can do Friday afternoon. Morning I can't because there's a meeting.
I will see. I will see if I'm available on afternoon. I will let you know. I mean, support team will call you on Thursday and they'll let
Yes.
you know.
Yeah, you can let me know because
But
I am okay. I can't do morning, but I can do afternoon
no
for that
problem, no
day. Yeah.
problem. I'll say. Now,
Thanks.
what we will do next part, I can see you have some confusion around this email notification, correct? So on Wednesday, I will show, of course, we are going to show you that how these email notifications are created, where can you add it from, how it will look like. I'll try to add one employee here, although this comes from the success factor, but I'll see and try to change their email address. Okay.
Yeah, I will see whether
If
I
I
can
can change, yes, if I can change
try.
the email address, it will throw this to that
Because at
person.
least because you can actually do a real one that can see, like example, add someone in and you send and I
Yes.
can see how it looks like. But now I can't even see anything. I really cannot
No, no, I
visualize
understand.
what is happening.
Then we
Yeah.
have request reasons, different reasons.
Okay.
What are the reasons that you can choose?
Okay.
Description.
Request reason. Okay.
Okay. I added. Then I
Request
go.
reason means for what's the purpose of request?
Oh, where is that form? I'll show you. The request reason why you want to go for this training.
Yes.
Why do you want to do this training? You're further upskilling yourself, project requirement. Yeah.
Oh, it's more of okay. This is more for like record purpose.
Why
Why
do
it
you
was
want to
doing?
do? Why do
Why
you want
this
to
class
do?
was requested? Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Understand.
So maybe I'm doing it for my personal reason. I mean, upskilling myself, or this is a
Mm.
requirement from
The
project or
company,
something.
yeah, okay. The company says to do this. Okay.
Class request. You choose that this user ID, this particular user want to do this class on this particular date, stuff
Ah,
like
okay.
that.
Got it. Okay.
Then libraries, we will create a library, and that library will be available here. If you want to add more libraries, you can click on it, and you can add as many libraries as you want.
Mhm.
See,
Okay.
and we will create these libraries from, see, library.
Ah, library. Okay. Got it.
Okay, so this is
Okay.
how we complete our items. There are few things which are left. So let's do it with the email notifications on Wednesday.
Mm-hmm.
Complete this one. But that is the only reason why I requested you to complete this item, because there are a lot of options. So if you have created your own, it will be helpful. Yeah, just create your own items here and we go one by one. So categories you will assign, curricula, all these details like curricula, program, assignment profile. These are nowhere but here also, always. Whatever you create here will come as an option here.
Oh, okay.
What you're doing, what you have created here, you will say, okay, with this assignment, this particular program should go along.
Okay.
With this particular item, this particular curriculum should go. What is assignment profile? If we have created an assignment profile, you will be able to choose one of them.
Mhm.
So it is nothing but you are choosing from the options that you have created
Created.
yourself.
Okay. Okay.
So that's why once, in order to completely run one item for you, we have to create everything here, our
Mm.
own data. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Got it.
So that's why I requested if you can create a small item in your
Yep.
name, we will use that name and we will first create everything one by one, all these details,
Mm-hmm.
and then
Okay.
we will assign to this to our item and fully run our one project. When I say one project means how the item is assigned and how the notifications are being sent. When you complete it, how I can assign it to one user, and when
Okay.
that user enrolls, how will he be able to see what notifications are being triggered. And once they complete it,